So this is the original off the RV, and what was sent, it's not around here. Oh, well, it was a total different serpentine. So the one that came, that Napa sent, had an outlet here and an outlet here crossing over for the chassis for this. Totally wrong. They sent the accumulator instead of a receiver dryer. This is a expansion valve receiver dryer system. I think. Yes. Yeah. Why am I? Because I seen a receiver dryer on the old one. Hold on. We see. What don't we see? Okay, there's the picture. Now this is what confused. This is a high side line going into the compressor. But why do we have a cycling clutch switch on a side? So that must be their low side protection, but they put it on the high side line. What's up with that? They sent a accumulator. So there's the accumulator for this vehicle, which, as you can see right here, it has a receiver dryer. So, and the condenser were like smaller and the lines were all wrong. So what we're going to do on this one, he's going to look up a universal micro channel, you know, the one with 1,000,000 holes on all the sides so you can make your own brackets. Put the receiver dryer somewhere else, custom makeup lines, and that'll take care of that problem. It's just all the time involved in finding, making the lines, and probably have to cut off this unit. This line right here gets cut off because this is that special smaller diameter hose. So you can't use a regular line adapters with that smaller hose. So we're going to make a brand new line. The compressor's right there. It just comes off. It's a straight fitting. So convert this over to the old-fashioned type of, you know, Goodyear Dykel regular hose. Cut it off. Braze on a new ferrule. That'll take care of that problem. You can keep the same switches. Make this line 100% brand new. Take it off there. It doesn't have to have that fitting there. It could go anywhere in the middle. And yeah, it's just custom. Everything, it's too old. And you see parts everywhere. And it's a motorhome. And since he was already digging in here and how many years and everything is, he went for the water pump, doing everything. Since it's coming apart one time, do it all, sell everything, new radiator, everything. It's going to be a whole new front part of the engine. Everything is going to get replaced. All right, this is sometime in the future.